Hi everyone, today's video is going to be an update, or not even an update, the finale of my Beatles Project Pan. So if you do not know, I started this Project Pan on, what was it, February 25th, I think it was maybe March. It's George's birthday. I'm doing this with Jessica Payne. It's been so much fun. Before this, I had already had 3 empties. It is a rolling Project Pan, and each empty, or each item corresponds with a song. So I already had 3. The goal overall is to use up 8 because of 8 days a week. I did finish up 2 more in this past, I guess month, or it's a little bit less than a month. First was the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. Now this corresponded with the song I'm So Tired. So there's that, and it is completely empty. And the second one is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz sample in the shade Soft Brown. Now you can see if you pull it out, there is actually quite a bit more product, but it's all the way smushed down into the pencil. And I can't figure out a way to like twist it up or anything. So I feel kind of wasteful chucking that, but there's no way I can use it because when I try to use it, it just smushes down. So there's that. So, and that was with While My Guitar Gently Weeps. So that means I have finished up 2 separate items. And I'll show you the remaining 6. These 6 were all in the original 6, which is a little annoying, but that's okay. I know the original 8. I did manage to finish up 5 items overall of the 8, so I feel like that's pretty good. So first for Glass Onion, I have the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean lipstick duo, and I'm trying to use up the shade Sparrow. You can see I have made some progress. I do have it on today. I know it doesn't really match my look, but I'm supposed to wear it. So here it is. I have made some progress. I like it. It's still good. I am going to keep it. Next, we have One After 909, and I have the Mally Frozen Cream Blush and Bronzer. And I have the blush in Feisty Blush. And you can hopefully see I have used up quite a bit of that. It started at the bottom of the screen line and now it's here. I use it as a cream blush every day. I like it. I don't know how I feel about cream products in general. I feel like they don't do that much. I don't know that I'd purchase anymore, but I think I am going to keep this one. Next, we have I've Just Seen a Face, and for that I have the Trestique Mini Concealer Crayon. This is a little warm for my skin tone, but it does like blend out nicely under the eyes. Right there. So I was thinking I was going to get rid of this, but I mean, it works okay. Like I said, it is a little deep for me, but I'm going to try to keep it and use it up. Next, we have Tomorrow Never Knows, and that is the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. And I have, again, made a little bit of progress. Not too much, unfortunately. This is really warm to me. Like, I mean, it's kind of orangey. And there it is blended out. I mean, it does blend really nicely, which is good. But it does a little bit blend away. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. I have been using it a while. I'm tempted to just get rid of it. Because do I really want to move this to Ohio? I can't decide. I feel like if I can't decide, then I don't feel like I'd miss it. Like, I feel like if this disappeared, I wouldn't miss it. So I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm actually going to get rid of this Trestique concealer as well. Because I feel like if this just disappeared and I didn't have it anymore in my collection, I wouldn't miss it at all. So these 2 guys, I'm going to go ahead and declutter. Alright, next we have The Word this is the Stila Glitter and Glow in Smoky Storm. I do have it on today. I love these things. I used it, we were just at my sister's bachelorette party, and I used it on me, my mom, and my sister. So I have gotten some use out of it. There's still a bunch in here. I don't feel like I've really made some very significant progress, but I've gotten some use out of it, so I will definitely be keeping this. And last, for not a second time, I have the Pixi by Petra Beauty Blush Duo. I have this highlighter on today, and it does get a little powerful sometimes. If you have very fair skin, so my sister is extremely fair. She's a lot lighter than I am, and I can actually use this gold on her. So I am going to keep it. I do like it. I almost hit pan on it. It's a little powdery. Like I said, it can get a little much. But I do in general like the way it looks. Sometimes it's hard to blend, but I think that might be the cream highlighter I'm using with it. So I kind of want to play with that a little more. But either way, this is going to be kept in my collection. So overall, I used up 5 items and I'm decluttering 2, which means that there are 7 out of my collection from this project. I feel like that's pretty good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. Talking to y'all is one of my favorite things. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, I'll just see y'all real soon. Bye.